This is the Desmond Show.
Honey, who is that girl you're always following on Instagram? You're following on Instagram. You even liked 15 of her pictures.
She liked my picture first now, then I decided to reciprocate the same idea now.
Okay, so what about the DM you sent to her?
Just a DM. Direct message.
Really?
Yes, now.
Direct message. But you commented on one of her pictures.
Oh.
Saying that she looks really nice.
I didn't even realize that I wrote comment on her post too.
You didn't realize? Okay, let's delete it.
Delete?
Yes, we'll delete it. See, girl, she's not even fine. Eh? Look at her brows. She doesn't even know that when you line your brows, you're supposed to allow that thing to fade off. See how she lined her brow. Eh?
This makeup is
what?
far from fine.
Better. Please, let's delete it. They are calling you again.
Hello?
Hello? Hi. You sent me recharge card mistakenly. I'm calling to let you know so you can take it back. Yeah.
See, I don't say anything. Stop calling me. Stop calling this number. I don't know you from anywhere. I am married and stop calling this number.
Hey, take it easy. Young man, relax. I'm doing you a favor.
You can't do me a favor. I am married. Stop calling this number. Nonsense. I don't know their problem. That's how they always do. Even if you are not here, that's what I always do. I always delete them. Can you delete that? I always delete them. They will just be messaging people's husband anyhow.
Are you sure I should delete it?
Of course, delete it.
I should delete it, right? Don't worry.
No, sir.
I'll delete it.
Delete it. You can imagine they will just be moving around, moving everywhere. Do you think I have time for them?
Take! She's calling you again. Put it on speaker.
Hello?
Hello? Will you listen to me? I said you mistakenly sent me recharge card. No,
Keep quiet and stop calling me. I said stop calling me. I am married. I don't have time for all this your nonsense. Read my lips. I am married. You can't even see my lips, Abi. I am married. Get out. Nonsense.
Okay.
That's how they always do. What?
She should read your lips, Abby. Oh, she even has memory of your lips.
Oh my God. I told her I'm married now. Can't you hear that?
No! You didn't say it loud enough. I didn't hear it.
Abba. You are jealous for Africa.
Leave me alone, Joe.
Kiss
you
me.
guys stop being jealous. I should kiss the same lips that you said she should read. I'm not
Kiss me,
leave me alone, leave me.
That's how you
Wait.
No, I'm not picking any call again. Just tell. No.
This one is Mama.
Oh, mommy.
Are you even sure it's Mama?
Mama. Hello, Mama. You didn't see it, Ke? The recharge card I sent you this morning, you didn't see it? 3,000 recharge card. Okay, hold on, let me check my phone. The recharge card I sent to Mama this morning, 3,000, and she said she didn't see it.
Funny. When did you start sending recharge card to Mama without telling me?
I said to that lady that was calling me, oh my God, I hope she picked my call.
Hello, young man, why are you disturbing my life? What do you want?
Please, I was the one. Yeah, you called me. No, I called. The last, the card. I was the one that sent it to you. Please send it back to me, please. I was the one you called the other time. Now, please send the recharge card back to me.
I think you got the wrong number.
Oh, it's not the wrong number. It's not the wrong number now. Hello. Oh, she called the call. Oh my God. I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have talked to her like that. Hello?
So you suddenly realized that you sent me a recharge card, yeah? You're sorry. When you were running your mouth then you were saying, I'm married, read my lips, you didn't know, right?
I know you are hungry. Just please. I sent the card to you. Just help me send the card back. I was the one that was telling you that I'm married the other time.
See, young man, before you get me more peace than I already am, stop calling my phone. I am married, read my lips. Nonsense.
You can't be married. Just send me the card. You can't be married now.
Oh no! So you're telling her that you're not married again, Abby?
Oh!
The same girl. You're telling her you're not married.
Give me that. Who give me now? Give me.
MC Desmond cares.